What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei bringing you episode 101 of the Webull Option Adventures, where our goal is to sell options and collect that premium. So this week we made some pretty good profits. We also have a couple positions open. So I will be going over the portfolio, what I bought, what I sold, or I guess what options I sold. Then we're gonna wrap it up by jumping into the Google Sheets. We'll see how much we made for this week. If I actually show you real quick, you'll see that on the monthly performance, we already achieved our goal of 1%. We're trying to get to 1% in return on investment for each month. So we will see what happens with this, but that's our main goal. We've already achieved it, so it's definitely fun and exciting to see. We're trying to do 1%. In the long term, I want to get this to try to produce about 2% every single month, but you'll see the graphs here. Hopefully we can start seeing this trend going upwards in the long run. We will see what happens, but let me jump back into the Webull app, and I can show you guys exactly what the portfolio is at. So as you'll see, the portfolio is at $30,798.32. We're actually down in the open profit and loss by 75.52%, which comes out to be a $72.50 in the negative. You'll see our cash balance is actually at $30,966.82, which is pretty awesome. As well, our options buying power, we have $16,966.82. So we have about half of the buying power, and we could use that next week to enter some more positions and collect some premium. So definitely really fun to have that. But you'll see that we actually only have one position open. That is a cash secured put on Tesla for a strike price of $140. This one's actually going to expire on the 23rd of December, so that is next Friday, and we collected 96 cents or $96, and now it's actually worth $1.69. That is because when I sold this option afterwards, Tesla did start moving downwards. But as long as Tesla does not reach 140 by next Friday, this option should expire worthless. We will see what happens. Otherwise, we'll have to manage it as well. But I'm fairly confident we can manage this trade. We will see. But let me show you guys the actual history, because this will actually show us exactly what we ended up doing this week, which I believe if I pull this up, you'll see that we started at selling this Tesla 153 cash secured put, and then from there we ended up doing some buys, some sells and some buys, and we ended up actually making some pretty good profits there. But yeah, you can guys pause it here, it'll show you exactly what we ended up doing. But I'm very excited because we've been making some pretty good money on Tesla. But this is all I have actually on the Webull app, guys. Let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets, because that's where I'll show you guys all the exact trades and then how much we made in total. But before we do that, consider subscribing with that bell notification. We're trying to get to 9,000 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, help me out. As well, drop a big thumbs up on the video. Definitely would appreciate it. Let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets. Alright guys, so we're at the dashboard on the Google Sheets. As you'll see, if we start, our start date was actually the 12th of December, and then our end date was on the 16th. So you'll see we made a total of $174.64. Pretty awesome there. Total credits we collected for the week were $267.76, and then total debits we actually paid were $93.12. So you take the difference and you get $174. There's actually nothing in gains, nothing invested. But if we look at the graphs again, you'll see that for December we're at $372.18, which means we surpassed October's already. We do have that cash secured put currently open for Tesla that expires next week, so we will see how that one expires. That one might bring it down if we close it out early, or depending on what happens. But I'm pretty confident we will stay around the $300 range. We'll see if we can actually surpass November's, but if we look at the monthly performance here, you'll see that we are target is 1.32% is what we ended up getting so far. We still have about 2 more weeks in the month of December. We'll see how everything plays out, so we will see. If we look at the weekly performance here, guys, week right here with $174.64 brings our total portfolio value to $30,966.43. Pretty awesome to see this continue to grow. If we look over here, total premium we've collected so far has been $2,805.46 since the month of April, and then current return on investment has been 9.96%. Pretty awesome to see, especially because the market has been in a downtrend all year. So it's pretty awesome to get an almost 10% return on our portfolio or our money, and we still haven't gotten assigned. If you take into account for taxes, this would be a little lower. This is a taxable account, so you gotta consider that. If we look at the credits here, I'll show you guys exactly what we did. So on the 12th of December, we ended up selling a Tesla cash secured put for a strike price of $153.33. We collected 76 cents or $76 after fees, about $75.94, and then it was actually a weekly that expired on the 16th of December. We held it for about 1 day, and then we ended up actually buying it back at a pretty good profit there. The next one on the 13th, we actually ended up selling a Tesla cash secured put for $145. We collected $66, and we actually ended up buying it back on the 15th. So we held it about 2 days. It was a weekly, and this one actually was also pretty good. The next one we did on the 15th of December, we ended up selling a Tesla cash secured put for $140 strike price. We collected 96 cents or $96. This is the one that I still have open, as you'll see here. This is the one that expires next week, so we will see what happens with this one. The last one we did was on the 15th of December. We ended up selling a Tesla cash secured put for a strike price of $145. We collected $30 on this one, but this was actually a weekly, so this was going to expire about in 2 days. We ended up buying it back on the same day that we sold it, so we held it for 0 days, and I believe we made it a little bit over 50% on the premium, so that was pretty awesome to see. If we look at the debits here, guys, you'll see that the Tesla on the 13th, we did do a buyback. We paid about $54.04 to exit our position. On the 15th as well, we bought back the Tesla cash secured puts, $25.04, and then the other one on the 15th was the Tesla. We purchased it back and we paid about $14.04. So pretty awesome to see that. We made some pretty good profits there. If we look at the gains here, guys, there's actually nothing in gains, and then actually nothing in current buys. But yeah, guys, this is the update for the actual second week of December. Pretty awesome to see. I will bring you guys the next update in the following week, so make sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification. Help me reach 9,000 subscribers. As well, drop a big thumbs up on the video. Let me know in the comment section how much you guys made this week selling options, or just trading options in general. Definitely would love to see it. I will talk to you guys later. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.